And the first honorable mention is Vian Era R. Banan. Era has a grade of 94.60, which is equivalent to 95%. Salutatorian, Sebastian Nigel S. Copia, the grade of 94.94%.
Pupils for school year 2011 and 2012. Kami po ay nakakuha ng sponsor for cash incentive para sa ating first honorable mention sa valedictorian and valedictorian. So, na-record on the first honorable mention ng third placer ng bawat klase, nursery, kinder, and preparatory, Vian Era Banan, Amiel, Kelonia, and Zarlene Janelle Andres. Meron po silang cash incentive na 500 pesos each. Dito po yung mga first honorable mention. Yung mga tinawag ko po. Janelle, yung mga first honorable mention lang po. First honorable mention lang. Ang aking
First honorable mention.
Vian Era, Amiel, and Zarlene Janelle. Sila po yung
For the nursery, Zarlene Janelle C. Andres. For the kindergarten, Homer Amiel G. Kelonia. And for the preparatory, Vian Era R. Banan.
okay. So, 500 cash gift for each of the first honorable mention, Vian Era, Homer Amiel Kelonia, for Zarlene Janelle Andres. Okay. Manatili lang po kayo na. Tapos meron on the salutatorians of each and every class for
For the nursery, Gabriel Alexandra S. Bonifacio, please come up singing. Shanina Maris Bigascon,
Okay, for the salutatorians, we have cash gift incentive of 1,000 pesos each.
A gift of 1,000 pesos each.
So, Gabriel, Alessandra Bonifacio, Shania Maurice Gascon, and Sebastian Michael Copia. Okay. Now we call on the valedictorians of the respective classes of nursery, kinder, and prep.
For the nursery level, we have Delana Zoraya. Kindergarten, Angeline B. Campos. And for the preparatory, Jeziel C. Galion.
Okay, for the valedictorians of each and every class, we have a cash gift incentive of 1,500 pesos each. Delana,
1,500 pesos each.
Angeline, and Giselle Gabion. Okay? Ito yung teacher taking class for the honor students. Huwag mo na teacher. Ipapagaling namin sa express